Hi guys, welcome back to Atharv Guruji channel. Today we will learn about the like operator in SQL Server, how it works. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So I have one table here, employee. In this table we have four columns: employee ID, employee name, department and salary. So if someone asks you to write a query to return all the employees, those names are start with A, means first character is A. So we have some example here: Aditi, Atharv B and Ankur. So we will write a SQL query like this, where copy with header, just remove this. Simple right here, like single quotes. We have to search based on the first name as A. So simple type here A and then percentage. See the output. Simple. I just copy this query again in the new row. See the output. Now, if someone asks you to return the employee's name, those last character is R. So see here, we have a two employee, Oliver and Ankur. So how we will write a query for this? Simple, just copy this and paste here. Just remove this A and write R here. Simple. Simple. So in first query, we are searching all the employees name. Those names start with A. In the second query, we are searching all the employees name. Those last character is R. Simple. I just copy this and paste here and copy this query again here. Now, if someone asks you to return all the employees, those second character is D. So see here, we have only one employee, Aditi. Uh, Her second character is D. So simple, we write a query like this. First underscore, we will skip first character and we have to, we need second character, then second character is D and we will search the data. Simple, simple. And I just copy this again in new row. Let's see the data. I just copy this. Now you see, if someone asks you to return all the employees' names, those names third character is R. Means see this Terry, Mark. So you will write a query like this. Ignore first two character underscore one underscore two and then R. Simple. Simple. See this Mark and Terry. Uh, I have one suggestion here to avoid using like operator in SQL if it is not necessary. If necessary, then it is okay because it's very costly. It is very costly to fetch the data. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.